So, contrary to popular belief, AI is not just for techie people, coders, and people that are all into computers. It is also great for people like you and I. So what I am here to do is to introduce you to a few AI tips and tricks that you can use to help you during tax season. Who doesn't need a little help during tax season? I know I do, and I'm a tax professional. So if you want that information, keep on watching, because I'm going to bring you 3 ways that you can save money at tax time using AI. Hey there, guys, and thanks for joining me at the Financial Spotlight. I'm Chantrell Parker, and I'm here to give you financial tips and tricks that are going to help you on your road to know your money. And today we're talking about how you can use AI, yes, I said AI, to help you save money at tax time. So the first thing is, you know how you're walking around, and if you're a small business, you are purchasing things at different locations. You might be purchasing food for your customers or your clients. You might be purchasing items for your business or buying your supplies, etc. And you're keeping the receipts, and you're like, well, what the heck am I going to do with the receipts? How am I going to keep these? A lot of my tax clients will take those receipts and put them in envelopes or Ziploc bags. Some of them also use my tax planning folder and binder that I have, and they put their receipts in there. But another way that you can keep your receipts and keep them electronically on hand is by using a couple of different AI tools to scan your receipts in and to categorize them and put them in the right folders for you when it's tax time. And 2 of those tools that people use are Expensify and also Wave. And I talk about Wave here on the channel a lot. In those 2 tools, you can use AI to upload your receipts, scan them on into the program, and then also categorize them, put them in the right areas so that when it's tax time, you can take it to your tax professional and they'll be able to easily do your taxes. Or you can use it yourself if you do your own taxes, and you can easily see what category each one of your receipts goes into. The second thing you can use AI for is asking questions. Now, there's a lot of different programs out there. There's ChatGPT, there's Gemini, there's a lot of different ones. So what you can do is you can use any one of those to ask, well, not all of them, because you can ask Claude also. And you can use one of those AI programs to ask questions about taxes. Now, of course, if you need more in-depth tax questions or tax answers to specific things and you want someone to talk to one-on-one, by all means, talk to a tax professional. Do not bypass them because they have the knowledge to give you. We are knowledgeable in our tax laws and tax planning and all of that, and we can help you. But if you don't have time to make a phone call or text like some of my clients do, or even email them, you can go straight into something like ChatGPT and put in a quick question like, what are the things that I can deduct, or can I deduct this on my taxes, or something general like that. Those questions can be answered by ChatGPT. Why? Because ChatGPT and Claude and Gemini and all of them are using IRS website to leverage this information. And they're also using your state tax website also. So for example, if you ask a question, you do want to be more specific. So you're going to say, hey, I'm in California and I am a small business owner, and I want to find out if this is something that I can write off on my taxes. Can I write off all of these meals that I bought for my clients throughout the year? Or can I use a deduction for whatever? You're going to ask specific questions and make sure that ChatGPT knows exactly exactly what you're trying to find out, and then you can get the answer from them. That's going to make things so much easier for you at tax time and all throughout the year. And the third way that you can use AI to help you save money at tax time is you can use it to help you plan ahead. You can use some of the tools, the AI tools, to just make sure that you're on top of any taxes that you might owe, or any expenses that you might be missing. You can upload your 1040 if you feel from last year, if you feel comfortable doing that. Have it review it and maybe give you some pointers. But of course, you do not want to replace a tax professional at all. You need to make sure that you are getting in touch with a tax accountant, a tax preparer, or your CPA. And if you do the taxes yourself, then you need to make sure that you stay up on laws and all of the different changes that are happening throughout the year, so that you don't miss any deductions that you're not owing, and that you stay on top of your tax obligations and make sure that you do not end up owing the IRS, and also that you're not getting penalized for anything. The key is this: AI is not supposed to replace your accountant at all. It's just going to help you stay on top of your income, your expenses, make sure that you're putting everything, all your ducks are in a row, and that you are planning your taxes the way they should throughout the year. But of course, you're going to use your accountant to help you and help you stay on top of things and help you to make sure that you file. But the AI tools will help you stay organized and also answer any easy questions that you might have, and also help you to make sure that you're planning out your estimated taxes if you owe, and make sure that you're putting the right different deductions and everything on your W-4. And like I always say, organized records equals saved money. And when it comes to organizing, you know I got you covered. I have put together an income and expenses tracking sheet, or actual Google Doc, that is going to help you to stay organized, keep your income and then your expenses all in one place. And then once you have all of that organized, you will be able to calculate your payments, your income, your expenses, and also have your profit and loss statement at the end of all of that, without paying a monthly fee, without having a program or anything like this. This is all in Google Sheets. If you're interested in getting that tracker, go ahead and click the link down in the description box so you can download it today. You have instant access to it. As soon as you download it, you'll be able to use it, and I put instructions in there and everything for you so that you know exactly how to use the tracker to benefit you and your business. I hope this information has helped you. Make sure that you join the Spotlight family. We'd love to have you. Go ahead and hit subscribe and turn on those notifications so that you know exactly when I'm going to post here every single week on the Financial Spotlight. Have a great one. Bye.